Have you ever felt chronic pain that just won't go away, no matter what medications you try? I know how frustrating that can be. But today, I'm going to share a solution that can transform your life, and the best part, it's natural, powerful, and works much faster than you'd imagine. Try it and see for yourself. This tea is 100 times more effective than many medications you'll find at the pharmacy. It will help relieve joint pain, fight inflammation, and improve your quality of life naturally. Prepared with simple and natural ingredients, it will be your new ally in fighting pain. The ingredients are 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, the juice of 1 lemon, and 1 cup of warm water. The way to prepare it is: in a cup, mix the turmeric and ginger. Add the lemon juice. Fill the cup with warm water. Mix well and drink it on an empty stomach, preferably first thing in the morning. If you like, you can sweeten it with honey. This tea will act quickly in your body, providing relief in minutes. Don't forget to take it every day to maximize its effects. My grandmother suffered from arthritis for years, and the pain was making her life unbearable. After she started drinking this tea, she noticed a huge difference. Now she can walk without pain and even dance with her grandkids. Have you ever tried a natural remedy to relieve your pain? I want to know about your experience. What's your biggest pain today? Share it in the comments, because I want to help you find the right solution. If you know someone who suffers from chronic pain, send this video now and help transform their life. If you want to learn more natural recipes to relieve pain, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos with powerful solutions.